Here's how to draw Noodles Ninja from Garten of BanBan. We're going to start out with the eyes. And give a really tiny pupil. I'm going to draw a little flat U shape right here. And then lines that go down at an angle. And then two lines that go down. Then we're going to connect this. Then draw a vertical line here, a vertical line here. Draw a line across to connect. And draw a line across at the bottom to connect. Then over here, we're going to draw a little nostril and one on the other side. And then we're going to give them teeth. And teeth on the bottom. And starting here, we're going to draw a little curvy noodle coming down. And then curve it up. And come to this side and draw a curvy noodle. And draw a curvy noodle on this side. Come to this side of the mouth and we'll draw another noodle coming out. And we'll draw one coming out on this side. Now we'll come up to the eye and we're going to draw a line that curves down into the face, and another line goes into the top of the nose. Then up here, I'm going to draw a curvy line that comes down and into the top of the face. Then draw a line here. And on this side, I'm going to start here and curve it out and bring it in. Then go behind the eye here. I'm going to bring the noodle up and then go down, and then it continues behind this noodle we just drew. And go to this side, and imagining this noodle here is continuing through behind the eye, we're going to draw a little shape here, and it comes into the face. Now we're going to do the same thing over here and continue the noodle across the eye. And then it goes behind and curves and wraps around. And then it goes under these front noodles that we drew. And imagine it's going to connect to this noodle back here. So we're going to curve it up. And it continues. Then come over here, we're going to draw a little noodle underneath and just follow the noodle we just drew. It seems complicated, but when you break it down into individual noodles like this, it's not as hard. Then we're going to draw some little teeth shapes down here. Come over here, we're going to draw a line that goes underneath the eye and continues through, then goes up and down, Come over here, we're going to draw a shape like this. And one here to connect it to this, one of these. Okay. Then a shape here. And up here we're going to draw a little noodle. And then a bigger one above it. Now we're going to draw a curve and one right here, and then another curve above it. Then let's come up and we're going to draw a curvy arm. And give it a little thumb. And the noodle continues forward. And we'll give it a line for the finger. And then draw same kind of curvy noodle arm on this side. And over here, we're going to draw the leg. Just curves down like this, like an S shape. And we'll draw the same kind of shape for this leg. That's how you draw Noodles Ninja from Garten of BanBan. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.